Hey there, so welcome to the second episode of Penny Calling Penny about the fundamentals of investing. So let's get started with the stocks. So let's try to understand first what are the stocks. So stocks are the type of investment that represent that you have a ownership in a company. When you purchase a stock, you become a shareholder of that company, which means you have a right to vote for the company's decision, and also you will receive a portion of the company's benefits in the form of dividends. Now the value of these stocks can fluctuate depending upon various different factors, which may include company performance, market condition, economic condition, global events and industry trends. As a result of which, the price of these stocks may rise or fall in the market. But before starting investing in stock market, you have to be aware about the basic key terms in stock markets, which goes like comment down below if you want another videos about the explanation of these stock market key basic terminologies. Until then, stay tuned with Penny Calling Penny to know more about investing, and also do hit that follow button to know more about personal finance advices.